Hello everyone and welcome to the Data Analysis and Working Efficiently Using Excel course. This course is step-by-step beginner to professional guideline that should provide you with all you need to work with Excel efficiently and professionally. And also for anyone who's already familiar with this software, you still can find something new to learn from. So let's move for the topics we are going to cover during this course. In the first chapter, we will provide a number of principles and guidelines that will help you increase your productivity and efficiency, either when you are working in Microsoft Excel or any other software. And in the second chapter, we will study a number of frequently used and essential Excel shortcuts and basic tools. An example of these shortcuts is how to navigate through Excel cells, sheets, and workbooks, and how to reach for any of the Excel tools without using the mouse. And an example of the basic tools we are going to study is how to use the filter, the sort, and how to format our cells, and much more. And in the next chapter, we will study a number of tools, formulas, and functions to pre-process our data. And this data can be text, numeric, or dates. And after we have our data ready, we will study in this chapter more advanced data analysis techniques. So we will study how to join between different tables in a single one. We will also study how to group our data and make a summary out of it. And by the end of this chapter, we will have two projects. So we will build a dashboard to analyze financial data. And we will also analyze a survey that was taken to study the effect of using social media on our mental health. And in the upcoming 3 chapters, we will introduce some of the automation tools we can use in Excel. And by using the automation, we can provide the machine or the software for a set of instructions or steps, and the machine will perform these tasks and these steps for us in a single click. So one of these tools or these automation tools we will introduce is the Power Query. And by using the Power Query, we can import data from multiple sources and perform data pre-processing on these data. And all of these steps can be recorded, so when we have new data, we can have the same steps applied on that new data. Next automation tool is Excel macros, and we can use it to perform changes or updates on Excel objects, and these objects can be cells, ranges, or Excel sheets, and others. In this chapter, we will record a simple macro that perform a number of formatting in a given cells, and we will also build more complex macros that need to be updated in VBA codes. And for anyone who's already familiar with Python and want to utilize his knowledge in Excel, in this chapter we will study how we can use Python code inside of Excel. And in the next chapter we will introduce you for optimization using Excel Solver. And for anyone who's interested or need to make a numeric or quantitative based decision, this chapter should be suitable for you. And during this chapter, we will take several optimization problems. So we will optimize capital budgeting, resources allocation, and finding the best product mix in a factory or in a workshop. And finally, we will have a bonus chapter where we will study a number of practical examples taken from my actual work. And by studying these examples, you will see how we can apply many of these topics we studied so far in real-life scenarios. And I believe that was a brief overview about the topics we are going to cover, and see you in the course.